The South West Coast Path Association has been running the Coast Path Connectors project with 2 years funding from the National Lottery Heritage Fund. We have developed a programme of social walking groups which has encouraged and enabled local communities to access the beautiful coastal environment, promoting health and wellbeing and connections to nature. It focuses on 5 locations along the South West Coast Path: Cornwall, Torbay, Plymouth, Dorset and North Devon. Going forward, the charity will be continuing its important role of encouraging more people to experience the benefits of walking the South West Coast Path.
Just sort of encouraging people to be outside, to engage with nature, to be taking the exercise. I think you can sort of see the benefit by the end of the walk that people have got.
Apart from wanting to go back to the start and do it all over again, I wanted to do something to help the South West Coast Path Association, because I just think it's brilliant. The whole coast path, all 630 miles of it, is brilliant.
I have to admit, I was incredibly nervous. I had a lot of preconceived ideas of what this was going to be, and I thought, you know what, go along, find out, and I haven't looked back. It was one of the best decisions I made to pop along, and I felt very welcome.
There's always birds flying or kind of in the vegetation, and then this time of year when all the invertebrates are out and the seabirds are out, it's just such a fantastic way to feel part of the kind of landscape and close to nature.
And it's been a great opportunity for me to promote walking, which I love, and the coast path, which I love, to groups of people who don't, for whatever reason, get out on it.
For me, just to be out in nature and with the sea on one side and the green on the other side, and fresh air, I think there's nothing better for your mental health and your positive well-being.